Hey folks, AP here, finally getting off my butt to serialize my Voron 2.4 350. It was up and printing in January, the footage here was shot in June, and it's now mid-August, so probably about time. This is an LDO batch 4 kit from West3D running a Revo Voron hot end, built from the ground up as a Rev 2 with tap and CAN bus, with a number of upgrades purchased from them and also printed from the mod community. And yes, it sadly needs to live outside under a cover. A compromise brought to you by SoCal Weather and hoping to stay married. Obvious upgrades you can see moving around it are a big BTT Pi TFT50 screen, 270-degree screwed door hinges by Chris Gonzalez, daylight on a stick XXL lighting, 75mm rear-mounted bed fans, IGUS GE5C Z bearings, BTT smart filament sensor, lightweight labware kinematic bed mounts and titanium gantry backers, 3M 4508 3mm foam sealing tape all around, and a modified version of the C17EXT rear-mounted filter with a temperature-controlled 120mm Noctua fan to keep the chamber temp from getting above 70°C in the summer. The toolhead board is a BTT EBB SB2209 run via CAN USB bridge to the Octopus board with a 20mm fan on the side. I'll be swapping that connection out for a U2C in the near future for better stability on long prints. In the electronics bay, I have a heat-piped cooler on the Pi, an external SSD versus an SD card, and a Meanwell 5V DC converter since it draws too much power for the controller board to supply everything once the chamber webcam is factored in. I just want to give my sincere thanks to the Voron design team for creating an absolutely amazing design and giving it to the world for free, and the folks at West3D for always having tempting upgrade parts in stock. Happy printing.